Ultima Hgh, is it real or is it fake? I'm Dr. Hgh, and if you are interested, please follow me to this video. However, I'm not advocating of taking any kind of steroid or Hgh, IGF-1 and so on without your doctor consultation. So these are only for your information, personal information, and also at the same time, you must remember there are so many fake and there are so many companies that basically copyright each other in the black market. So it is possible that what I have did the test on be totally different from what you will take in the future. So please take this information with a grain of salt and do your own research first. There are more than 10 or I don't know, 10, 11, 12 different products from the Ultima company that I have tested, and I wanted to make a series for all of them in the future, but because one of my subscribers asked about the Ultima Hgh, I thought I just started from here and slowly I will add on to it. So Ultima Hgh, it is fake. So if it's fake, what is inside? So it's broken peptide. Inside the Ultima Hgh is a broken peptide. So if you do the HCG test, you're not gonna get any result. It come negative, so you will think, oh, if it's not HCH, then it is what? So when I was discussing with one of my friends from Germany, one of the tests that we ran, and the peptide was very similar to CGC1925, which basically it's supposed to enhance your it help your testosterone. It's a testosterone booster. So that's what we thought is inside, but the more we tested, the more we went forward, the more complicated it becomes. So at the end, we kind of concluded there are a bunch of peptide inside, most of them like degraded, broken peptide. So you cannot get much effect from this HGH, except there is one interesting part for this that I'm gonna share with you, and I cannot explain why. People who take Ultima Hgh get little bit of erection problem. So their erection become little bit weak. So what does it do? Is it bond with there's some kind of peptide that bond to the free testosterone inside these, or what? We couldn't figure it out. So it's definitely not HCG. It's definitely not HGH, and therefore we are just struggling because of course we can go deeper and deeper, just maybe the majority of the peptide, like if after we do the HPLC profiling, we can just take those peak out that has a higher peak and just analyze that, but that required lots of money and lots of time, which we don't have. So we conclude that it's a broken peptide. It has no use. If you are running, for example, testosterone, oral and injectable with something like Trembolone inside, you take this, you don't take this, it doesn't do any effect on your work whatsoever. So if you don't take it, if I were you, I wouldn't even take it because I'm not sure what is inside. I'm 100% not sure what is inside. So that is my explanation for this product. It's up to you. Do your own research. Send it to the lab. Send it for HPLC profiling. Send it to whatever you want. But it is not a real deal. So, however, I have no, as I always said, I have no connection with any of these companies. I don't care. They're not offering me any money, and I'm not advertising for any of them. I always say please go for the pharma grade if you have to take it. So that's it for today. I hope this video was interesting for you. Please like and subscribe. Till next time.